Has any of you ever had the experience of wanting to start to work on a new project? Not a new project you're starting, but a project you haven't worked on yet. And you open the README, and the README has like half a page of these are the dependencies you need to install before you can start working on this project. Does that sound familiar to any of you? Just raise your hand. Okay, that's most of you. Has it ever happened to you that one of those dependencies could not be installed on your machine because, I don't know, maybe you had another version of the same one or something like that? Has it ever happened that that half page of explanations did not contain all the dependencies the project needed? Right. So I'm here to tell you it does not have to be this way. This is a solved problem. I've just spent 6 years working in a company where that problem just does not exist. And there are very simple solutions to that, or easy solutions, I guess. In this crowd, I have to be careful. One of the things you forget after 6 years. And really, it boils down to the combination of two tools. I have nothing to do with either of them. I'm just here propagating the message because the past 2 days have reminded me of that pain I hadn't felt in 6 years. And I have one slide which does not fit on the screen with this font size. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit more. So it boils down to these two pieces. Nix is a package manager. It is configured with a functional programming language. You don't need to learn that language to use it in the way I'm going to describe now. Nix tends to want to control your entire machine. You do not need to let it do that for what I'm going to talk about here. And direnv is something you hook into your shell, and then anytime you cd into a folder, if that folder has a pre-approved shell script, it will run it, and that lets you configure your environment, which means combining both of them, you can have per project environments. And now I'm switching to the demo part, which, if my internet works, will work. Otherwise, we'll see what we do. So if I want to start a new project, first of all, I just want to demonstrate that I don't have anything installed on this machine. So no Java, no version, nothing, right? This is not a useful development machine. If I want to create a new project, I'm going to start with the simple case. I create a new project. I have a little script I have created that just initializes this. We'll see how long it takes with the connection I have here. I'll park that one up. Just I don't want to go over time, so I'm going to start. I'm going to leave it running there, right? It's doing its thing. For the sake of argument, if I want to go to an old project, I can go into that old project. It's already set up, and this is a project that was using some version of Babashka. So I now have Babashka in my environment. I did anticipate the option of the Wi-Fi not working, so I have cheated a little bit and created a new project in the hallway before I came in. I have added, what did I add? I've added a bunch of things to this one. So in this project, you can see that I have a different version of Babashka. I don't know if any of you thought of writing down the version of Babashka I had just before, but this one's different.
30
right?
seconds.
This is the old one. And I can just switch to the new project. I have Java now. I don't have Java now. I have Lane. I should have. Oh, sorry. Yes, thanks. I need to go to the cheated one. So I have Java now. And that's basically all I wanted to talk about.